Yeah,
we got in trouble by our dad. Wait, how do you do it? The whoa. The whoa. The whoa. I look weird doing it with my like business clothes on. You're watching the well, I think when you open it, it's like an automatic one. There we go. So, starting right now, it's early in the morning. We are gonna handcuff ourselves to each other. Wait, I'm gonna have to lean our side. No, yeah. Which one's your strongest? We're gonna drive with this. Okay. She's gonna be on the passenger side, and I will be driving the car. This is actually good. They're already getting weird looks. Alright, so here we go. We're gonna be handcuffed to each other all day today, you guys. 24 hours. With the kids, so let's see how that's gonna go. Oh, sorry. Come on, Mama, this way. Drop it? Oh, I think you did. Oh, yes. Your lunch is already difficult. I think I should probably make the yeah, let's make the bottle really soft. Yeah. Bring your wheels. We left the formula in the car, so we're gonna go to the cars. Alright. Can you put your whole this way? Oh yeah, sorry. I was taking over the whole handlebar. Yeah, Papa. Alright. Ow! It's turning into like a dance session. We're doing some style stuff. Ow, that hurts. Alright, that's good. So here, I'm gonna hand this to you. This is not the that's not the formula. Oh, that's gonna be the baby. So simple. Oh my, she was like, the baby's so simple. Alright, let's get the formula, Val. Come on now. Where is it? It's in there for sure because I put it in there. Okay, I found it. Okay, here's the formula. Alright, I'll do this. Wait, we need water. Seven ounces, so 3.5 scoops. 1, 2, 3. Now, right now. All right, go ahead and close it. Oh, there you go. She's not crying anymore, but I know. She probably doesn't need her bottle anymore. She's not gonna want it long. We got this. This is easy. This is easy. Actually, it's actually faster. We're doing like 2 in 1.
4 hands.
More hands, faster. Oops, it's splashing everywhere. Why is it like that? Does it come out like that all the time? No, we just bottled yesterday. Oh, that's right. So. It's okay. Okay. Wait, is it tight enough? Yeah, it's tight, but I think it's just ready together. 1, 2, 3. There's a cop. There's a cop, you guys. He's looking at us. Let me check him out. I got it. Got it? Yeah.
They are now getting into the car.
Hold on. Your purse? There we go. Alright. And after 30 minutes of getting the kids and the stroller and stuff in the car, we are finally here. We burned like 1,000 calories. Valerie's currently driving right now, and I'm in the passenger seat. So this is currently how it's going. My arm is just up, you know? We are gonna head to Best Buy right now because we have to grab some stuff. Should we just go get some meat first, then Best Buy? Yeah, okay, let's do that. Alright, you guys, so we got our food, and it was hectic, I'm not gonna lie. But we're just gonna go ahead and eat, and Valerie's gonna have to eat with your right, so we'll see how that's gonna work. About that. Okay, good. Oh. So we're just gonna split everything. I'll get it really quick out. Yeah, we got little kids. We have the kids with us, so we're gonna share with them too. Except little mama, she can't eat lemons. Oh yeah, she can. Oops. Right. My chicken. There we go. Okay, so my arm is just belaying her arm motion. You know? Let me try it out. Thank you, Lord, for this food. We ask that allow it to sit well in our stomachs and just feed our bodies with all the nutrition that it needs. In Jesus' heavenly name. Amen.
Amen.
So we just got done eating. This is our goat. And well, so you want to explain the Roy to it? Okay, so little Roy was making this challenge a little more challenging, so we decided to have his dad pick him up. Yeah, so his dad picked him up. Now it's just the girls. Yes, little mamas. Little mamas and Miss Serenity, the camera girl. So what are we doing next? We spotted that. You guys see behind us? There's like a hurricane simulator. We're gonna go ahead and try to do that. It's right there to see if it works. And so that's gonna be our next song. There we go. No, this side. Oh wait, I'm gonna take my purse out. Hold on. Oh shoot. Natalie! We have my purse! That was crazy.
Can I do it?
But after that, it pulled me off. My hairs, I have a lot of hair. I didn't take my purse off. You were really trying to take your purse off. Yeah, I was afraid of everything to fly out of it. Anyway, you never been on my house? Oh, okay, wonder why. Come on, that was a. Were we loud? Just between ours. Oh, you can hear us? Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Awesome. Thank you.
If you guys want more,
Oh no, we're good.
Oh,
This is good.
I want the pink one.
We're doing a challenge. I'm sorry.
if you want more, I have boxes of them that I'm just giving away.
Oh,
So
really?
on your way out, I'll give you a whole box.
Oh yeah, of course. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you. Yeah. Which one do you want?
I got the pink one.
Which one is that one? That was
Free
nice of them. We got some
popsicles.
free ice cream. Pops. Ice cream pops. Icy pops. Freeze pops. Get ready. Now Serenity's next. She wanted to try it out, you guys. You're ready. Come back to us. So it's 68 miles, 72. It's gonna go all the way up to 78.7. Don't let go. What's it?
It was so windy.
You always
My
wanted to go in
God.
one of those, huh? You always want to be in the middle of a hurricane? Well, there you go.
So windy.
Is it? Now I can't eat her ice cream. Alright, let's just. What we do? Oh yeah. What do you guys think? I think it's cute. I like it. Look, for work. Yeah. I honestly think it's cute in here. No, yeah. Oh my gosh, we are stretching. We are stretching.
You look like the.
I think it's cute. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. I'm taking this one. I'm taking this one. Ouch! Oh. Wait. The baby. The baby there. Oh. Let me just try to turn it. Okay, here we go. Forgot scissors. Okay. Okay. Oh, that is a cute dress. Let's just have an emergency diaper change section coming up now. Okay. Yeah, we're doing trouble our dad. No, we're doing challenge. Yeah. Got it. I got it. We saved the icing. Alright, you want to take the wipes out for now? Teamwork. Makes the dream work. Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. Lay her down. Yes. She's looking at you. Can we scoot her up a little bit? There we go. Oh wait, that means not the cheese. I'm at the cheese. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. My app. Okay. Now. Is yours red? I do. No crying. It's okay. Alright, so my sister is changing Mama's diapers and she's on that side. As you can tell, I did this. I planned this out perfectly. Yes, we did.
No, they have just the handcuffs toilet.
I'll get the.
Thank you.
I'm gonna attempt to use the rest. So what if we make a call underneath? Or we can just wait one at a time. You can go first and I'll under. Okay. Or over. Over? Or under? Under. Because I'm not gonna. Ouch. Sorry.
Uh-oh.
Gosh. Oh my goodness.
Alright, here we go.
Here goes nothing. Don't get the cracks right.
I'm not. I can't even see you.
Is it working? Yeah. Yeah, this is actually working. Okay, we go away because we, after that soda and that coffee and okay, okay, guys, so we're gonna go home. We're just gonna hang out with my with our kids. We're gonna go home and hang out with the kids a little while, and then we'll turn on the camera again when there's like some more interesting things happening. Yep. So it's been a challenge so far. I wanted to show them my wrist. So my wrist is turning red. I don't know if you guys can see that. Is yours turning red? Yeah, just right there. It's not too bad. Yeah, the most challenging part was using the restroom. I'm not gonna lie, but it worked out. So we figured it out. So yeah, it was good. Yeah, your hair was open. The challenge is real, you guys. We got free ice cream puffs. Oh man, girl, I'm gonna have to do it. It's hot. Yeah. How did I do it last time? I did it with first. Ouch! Hold on, what did I do? Okay, it looks like it's harder than last time. Yeah. Ouch! Oh, my arm. My purse is stuck. Oh, I can't see anything. Or you're sitting on your purse. Okay, well. Ouch. Okay. Do you put the gear? Doing work. Okay, so there we go. All right, guys, let's go home. That was easy. I sweated my makeup off already. Okay, so it's been a couple hours and we just been here with the kids, feeding them. Armani, Mom, Papa, watching movies, cooking dinner. Well, not really cooking because yeah, we just made like some really good sandwiches too for the kids, like for snacks. Yeah, it's been a long day. My wrist is so tired. I don't know if you guys can tell that we're super tired. I'm so exhausted. And I've been working. Sorry. Come on. I fell asleep on the couch and Bella had to wake me up. She's like, Natalie, I gotta go get the baby. She's crying. Oh my gosh. We've been like doing some work too, and
Yeah, shh, Armani,
it's
they're
hard to-
sleeping right now.
so Natalie's been like in the struggle right now when I try to type.
Yeah,
Like
so every
this,
time
wanna
she
show them?
types, yeah. Oh, wait, hold on. So every time she types, I'm just like, are you done?
And then
Are you done?
so that's our life right now. It's been cool. I can tell you, it's been like a really hectic challenge because it's hard to deal with the kids.
We haven't
being
needed to
handcuffed.
go, we haven't used the restroom ever since earlier, but we've just been holding it. How would it be if we can swim in a pool with handcuffed to each other? The only problem is that we have to change to our bathing suits.
And I'm in my work clothes still,
Yeah.
you guys.
So she wouldn't be able to jump in with a work shirt. She doesn't want to get that ruined. So this is gonna be the only. Can I put my hand? This is gonna be. Ow! This is gonna be the only exception where we can take off their handcuffs, so we can just put our swimsuits on, so we can go and test out this whole swimming thing. Okay?
As soon as we snap our fingers, we're gonna be.
As soon as we snap our fingers, we're gonna be taking. We're delusional.
3, 2, 1.
All right, you guys. So we are locked in, and it's honestly it's late. It doesn't look late, but it's
And
about
it's a little chilly.
It's almost 9 o'clock, so it's been all day since we've been in handcuffs, except when we changed. But we're gonna jump in.
I really
We're
don't
not
want to
gonna
go. I'm not gonna lie. I really don't want to jump in. I rarely go swimming because I have the kids anyways, so I'm not used to it.
Yeah.
Wait, my chance to get my sister back.
She still hasn't got me back, you guys. So
Wouldn't it have been
she
funny?
is.
Like, Serenity, watch out! And I push you, and they're totally forgetting that I have these on.
I know. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna
Thanks,
Serenity. Let's do this. Let's
Okay.
do it.
That was warm. It was like a jacuzzi. We're gonna do this as a montage.
Don't do that. Okay, ready, go. Armani, can you play with your brother? Play with your brother. Okay.
Give me twin high five. No, the other one.
That's gonna. All right, you guys. So that was definitely fun.
That was
challenge.
fun. And it's not cold at all.
It's warm actually. I'm surprised that we were able to do it.
Yeah. I had a good time.
I did too.
Challenge was, I don't know, it's definitely tiring, crazy.
We're still handcuffed. We're gonna go ahead and unlock the handcuffs right now.
Okay, here we go.
The key. We have the key ready.
So that's gonna do it.
We're free. We're free at last. We hope you guys enjoyed it. For those of you who don't know, my name is Natalie.
And I'm Valerie.
And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button right now. Become a part of our family. Become a lovely warrior. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification if you would like to be notified every time you post a new video. Oh, the post notification shout out. I'll hold my phone. The post notification shout out goes to, we're going to put it right there on the screen. Yes. So we thank you for your support. We really appreciate all you guys. We love you guys. And until next time.
Bye.